Alright, now we'll ride the elevators. At the Mud Island parking garage. Oh, it's trying to close up on me. Ooh, look at this. Oh, this is weird. They're backwards. It's a scenic elevator. A kind of not so scenic elevator. Here's the garage. All innovation buttons on the calls. They left all the elevator buttons original though. This is very interesting how they did this backwards. Take another ride down to 3. It's kind of weird how it's backwards. Get a little bit of a view of downtown. I wonder what this return light is. You press the button to close the door. Here we are, 1. See if you can ring the bell. Listen to that. Interesting door sensor. Alright, that's it.